friends, I am Sandhya Ringar and today's video topic is inheritance in Java. So we can discuss about what is inheritance in Java. So we are looking first definition of inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a concept that acquires the property from one class to another class. For example, the relationship between father and son. In, in a Java, a class can inherit attributes and methods, and another class, the class, the class that inherit the properties is known as subclass or the child class. The class from which the properties are inherited is known as the superclass or parent class. In inheritance, the properties of the base class are acquired by the derived class derived classes. Then syntax of inheritance. Syntax of inheritance first is a class keyword, then derived class extend base class, open and close curly, within open and close curly include methods and fields. Then we are discuss about extend keyword in a Java. The extended keyword extend a class and is the indicator that a class is being inherited by another class. Why use the inheritance in Java? Why use inheritance in the Java? First is the main advantages of inheritance is a code reusability and also method overriding. Inheritance is also known as is a relationship. Then terms used in inheritance. First is a class. A class is a collection of objects which have common properties. Then next is a derived class. Derived class is also called as subclass. Derived class is a class that inherit from a base class. It is known as a subclass or child class. Second is a base class. Is the main class where derived classes inherit the feature. It is known as superclass or parent class. Then next term is reusability. The name the name of itself say reuse and repeated code in the program. Then next is types of inheritance. First is the the different types of inheritance. First is a single inheritance, second is multiple inheritance, third multi-level inheritance, fourth hierarchical inheritance, and then is a hybrid inheritance. First, we are looking first single inheritance. Creating a subclass from a single base class is called as single inheritance. Then is inheritance we can access subclasses, methods and variables. Then next is a multiple inheritance in Java. Multiple inheritance are available in object oriented programming with C++, but it is not available in a Java. Then next type is a multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, a class extend to another class that is already extend from another class. For example, if there is a class A that extend class B and class B extend the another class C, then this scenarios is known as followed by multi-level inheritance. Then next type is hierarchical inheritance in Java. In hierarchical inheritance in Java, more than one derived class extend a single base class. in simple word, more than one child class extend a single parent class, or a single parent class has more than one child class. Then next type is a hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance in a Java is a combination of inheritance. In this type of inheritance, more than one kind of inheritance is observed. Thank you.